Hello students, due to COVID-19, the government of Karnataka has decided to reduce the syllabus. So in mathematics also, they say they reduced some lessons. So in that the real number was deleted. So now last class I explained about real numbers. So now just leave that lesson and the topic and don't write that notes also. Okay, now I will continue. The next topic is that circles. Okay, now observe here, in 9th standard you already learned about circles. So what do you mean by circle? What are the properties? What are the structures of the circle? So now here let us study. So here observe here, I will have, that is I mentioned A. So what does A represents? A represents a point. So point doesn't have any direction and dimension. Okay, next, so this is the point. I will mention one more point, that is B. This is also a point. Okay, now I will join AB. So AB means what? AB is what? Line segment. So AB is line segment. You know that line segment, everything. Line means what? It has a beginning point but there is no end point. So this is called line. Line segment means it has two end points. So here how many points I draw? 2 points. So I will draw one more point, that is C, and I will join. So here what does ABC represents? ABC represents what? Again it is a line segment because it has two end points now. These are end points, A and C are end points. Okay, now gradually I will increase, means I will draw the again continuous point, means it will again goes. Okay, but here the line segment is what? That is it has two end points. Okay, so in this line how many points we can draw? We can draw so many infinity points we can join. So together it forms a line segment likewise. So now our topic is how the points are arranged. So here point A, B, C, how they are arranged? They are arranged in a same plane, means these points are what? Collinear points. So collinear point means what? The points which are lying in a same plane. Okay, this type of points we called as collinear points. Then what about non-collinear points? Non-collinear points means the points which are not in the same plane. Example, suppose here this is the point P and this is the point Q and this is the point R. So PQ are what? 3 points. Some students will say PQR is a triangle. It is not a triangle. Okay, we do not a triangle. Triangle is a 3-line segment and it is a closed figure. So now P, Q, R are the 3 points. Which type of points these are? These are 3 points. These are collinear points. Why? Because the point P lies in a same. This is the one more plane. So this is different plane. So these 3 points are lying in a different plane. So we call it as 3 points are non-collinear points. So non-collinear points means the points which are lying in a different plane. So by the help of collinear point we can draw any geometrical figure. See, point A, B, C. Likewise we will draw, means it will go straight. So these are in the same plane. So by the help of collinear point we can draw any geometrical figure because the points are within the same plane. But by the help of non-collinear point only we can draw the geometrical figure. So you know that geometrical figure, first it is triangle. Okay, then afterwards square, then next to rectangle, afterwards circle, likewise. So these are what? Geometrical figures. So geometrical figures drawn by the help of non-collinear points only. So now our topic is what? Next it is circle. So what do you mean by circle? Circle we can draw by non-collinear points only. So you know that non-collinear points. So by the help of non-collinear point only we can draw any geometrical figure. So here this is what? Point A, point B, point C, point D. Likewise these are the points. Okay, these are the points and middle also one more point. So now these are the points are lying in a different plane. So these are non-collinear points only. So by the help of non-collinear point only we can draw any geometrical, already explained. So now these are what? The point A, B, C, D are here from this is O. So do you just measure it? So these are, suppose example this is 10 centimeter. What about means? See, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10, likewise. So these points are how? The set of all the points which are equidistant. They are equal distance. Means we call equidistant. So point A, point B, point C, point D are equal distance from what? O. So this O we called as center of a circle. So now A, B, C, D are the points. So these are non-collinear points. I will join together. So we will get what? This is a circle. So now what I done here? So the points A, B, C, D. These are non-collinear points. Just I closed this. I closed this circle. So this is a closed figure. So now these are the points. Set of points. Set of points. So here what is the definition of circle? Set of points which are equidistant from a center. So the definition of circle means what? In a plane, set of all the points. Set of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point we call as center of a circle. So sometimes we will refer as the center of a circle as O, C likewise. So always we will refer as a O. O means origin likewise. So the definition of circle means what? Set of all the points. Set of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Equidistant means what? A, OA. OA, suppose example 10 centimeter means what about OB? OB also 10, OC also 10. Likewise, so these are equidistant. So definition of circle is in a plane, set of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. We call it is circle. Okay, and O is a center. This fixed point we call as center of a circle. Here I represent, this is a closed figure. This is completely circle. So this is called circle. Okay, now here I draw here AB. AB is a line segment. Okay, here it is end point, it is end point. So AB is a line segment on the circle. So we call this is AB as a radius. Why we call it as radius? Radius means what? Radius means the line segment which joins any point on the circle to the center. So here from the center we can draw any line segment. It is on the circle. So this AB we called as radius. So radius means a line segment which joins any point on the circle to the center or from the center. So here AB is what? Radius of the circle. Then afterwards I will join this is also a radius. So I will mention here C. So now CB. So this is what? This is diameter. We call it as diameter. So diameter means what? The lines means it is afterwards I will explain about diameter. Now here comes to this figure. See here PQ. PQ is also a line segment. It is on the circle. So this type of line segment we call as chord. Okay, chord. So chord means what? Chord means the line segment which joins two distinct points on the circle. So on the circle, two distinct points we join means PQ is called as chord of a circle. So this is the chord. Suppose example, I will draw here the point, line segment. So this is CD. Okay, CD is also what? Chord. Because chord definition is what? It has two distinct points on the circle. So this is CD is also a chord. But here the chord gradually increases. The length of the chord increases. Means it comes to the near the center. So through the center the line segment passes we call as diameter. So that what means, see here CB is what? Diameter. So diameter means the diameter is a major chord. Because here length of the chord suppose 8 centimeter means gradually increase the length of the chord means that what? It is increase the length of the chord. So now here it is 9, 10 likewise. So maximum length of the chord is at the center. It passes through the center. This line segment we call as diameter of the circle. So CB is what? Diameter of the circle. Okay. Afterwards in 9th standard you already learned about chord and its property. So here this is what LM is a chord. So LM is chord and OM is perpendicular. Drawn means here always it is perpendicular 90 degree means here we will measure what? Center and distance between center and chord. So this is the distance between center and chord. Suppose example this is 2 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter means gradually the length of the chord increases means the distance between center and chord is what? Decreases. Again as the length of the chord decreases then the distance between center and chord will what? Increases. So these properties and some other properties of chord also you will learn in 9th standard. So students, next move to the 10th topic. Next type of properties of circle. Here you observe here PQ is a line segment and this is a circle. So here what is the relation? Then means what is the relation of this circle and this circle and this line? There is no relation because the line segment is separate and circle is also separate. So here there is no relation. But here next type of figure here it is a circle and this line segment is just intersect on the circle. Okay, here the PQ is the line segment, it just intersect, it moves towards the circle. Here it intersect at 2 points. So now this is the line segment PQ and just it intersect on the circle at 2 points, means this one we called as secant. This is called secant of a circle. Okay, now the next figure here, it is a circle with center O and this PQ line it just touches the circle at only 1 point. Here it is not intersected, means it is not cuts inside, it moves towards, but it is just touches the circle, means it is intersect only 1 point. Then this type of the line segment we called as tangent. So this is called tangent to a circle. So this is PQ is what? Tangent. Tangent means what? The line segment which touches the circle at only 1 point. Otherwise the line segment which intersect, otherwise a line which intersect on the circle at only 1 point, then we call as tangent of a circle. So students, tangent to a circle. Tangent means what? Now I will explain. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersect the circle at only 1 point. Okay, now here the figure, see how many tangents are there here. See, XY is a tangent, XY is a line segment, AB, then CD and LN. Okay, so these are what? Lines. Then these are what? Intersect on the circle and just touches the circle. So here how many tangents are there? See, clearly observe you that this is the point of contact P. The AB line is there, that is only just touches the circle. That means that only intersect on the circle. But here the LM, they intersect at the 2 points. Then XY, it intersect at here 2 points. Then again CD, it intersect at 2 points. Means these intersect at 2 points, means these are what remaining are secant. But AB is only one, that is tangent. Means tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle only 1 point. So from 1 point of contact, how many tangents we can draw? From 1 point of contact we can draw only 1 tangent. Okay, so here in this all the line segment, but one is what? Tangent and remaining are secant. So afterwards again on the circle how many tangents we can draw? This is the questions arise. On the tangent, on the circle, how many tangents we can draw? So we can draw infinity tangents. How means? See, suppose example point of contact here means we can draw here. The point of contact here means we can draw here. Again point of contact here. So likewise parallel also. Then here likewise parallel also. So on the circle we can draw infinity point of tangents. Okay. So students, here there is a theorem. Theorem 10.1. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It means what? The tangent at any point on the circle of a circle. So see here, this is the circle with center O and XY is the tangent. The point of contact is P. Okay. So our statement is what? The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It means what we have to prove? See, XY is the tangent and P is the point of contact. See, always it is perpendicular. OP is always perpendicular. We should prove what? All OP is perpendicular to XY. So now, by given data, see, given A is a circle with center O and a tangent XY to the circle at a point P. So this is only given, means a circle with center O and a tangent XY and P is the point of contact. So now what we have to prove? To prove OP is perpendicular to XY. OP perpendicular to XY. So we need to prove OP is perpendicular to XY. So here student, see proof. Take a point Q or XY other than P. Okay, and join OQ. See, you take xy is the tangent and you take P. This is Q. Sorry, this is Q point on a xy other than P. Then join OQ. Then you will get what it is like a triangle. Means a right angle triangle. So here leave it that one. First we take a point Q on xy. See here, the point Q must lie outside the circle. This Q point is must lie on the outside the circle. If the point is lies inside the circle, this line is like that, means it becomes inside, means this is xy is become what? Secant, not tangent. So now the point Q must be lie outside the circle. Okay. Next, therefore OQ is greater than, therefore OQ is longer than the radius of OP. So here OQ is what? Greater than OP. So it means it is a longer side. It is longer side means, see, that is what? OQ is greater than OP. It means OP is perpendicular to xy. So OP is perpendicular to xy. Suppose example, you see OPQ is a right angle triangle and OQ is longer side in this triangle, means here always angle is what? 90 degrees. So here 90 degree means OP is always what? Perpendicular. So OP is perpendicular to xy. So OP is what? So OP is perpendicular to xy. So here student, exercise 10.1. So 10.1 exercise. First one, how many tangents can a circle have? So I already explained in that the properties. So how many tangents can a circle have? So what is the answer? Infinity. So how many tangents we can draw? How many tangents can a circle have? Infinity tangents. Okay. Next, second one, fill in the blanks. So first question is that a tangent to a circle intersect it in dash points. So you know the definition of tangent. So tangent means what? A line segment which intersect at only one point. So a tangent to a circle intersect it in how many points? Only 1 point. So here what is the answer? 1. Afterwards, next, second one, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called what? So I already explained, that is secant. So the secant means what? A line segment which intersect on the circle at 2 points. So here a line intersecting a circle in 2 points we call as it is secant. Okay. Next, third one, a circle can have dash parallel tangent at the most. So means I already explained, a circle we can at most the parallel is what? 2. So here a circle can have dash parallel tangents, that is 2 parallel tangents. So answer is 2. Next, fourth one, the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called what? The common point, see, tangent. This is tangent. This is circle, this is called. So this is called as common point. So this point we called as point of contact. So here the common point of a tangent and to a circle. This is common point for both tangent and circle. So this point we called as point of contact. Point of contact. Okay. So now here the next fourth is the third question. We do homework. Then so student, third and fourth are homework. So third question is in textbook. So they see and do it solve the problem. And here fourth question is draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to the given such that one is tangent and another is secant. So what you have to do? You have to draw the tangent and secant. So how means? See, suppose this is a circle. One is tangent means you just draw here tangent, and one more is secant means here, and both are parallel. So likewise you have to construct. Okay. So thank you student.